Shut it, open and shut it. How are you, grade 3s? Are you okay? It's a Teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. Wow. We want to wind up fractions with word questions. Do you know we can also ask word questions using fractions? We can use fractions in word questions. For example, look at the board. Yes, Johnny, can you read for us? Janet has 12 apples. She gave a half of the apples to John. How many apples did Janet give to John? Janet has how many? We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are the 12 apples that Janet has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we are being told that Janet took half of the apples. Wow, she's so generous and gave them to who? To John. So how many apples did Janet give John? Let's see. Janet took one, gave John one. Took another one, gave John. Took, gave John. Took, gave John. Took this, gave John that one. Took, gave John. So if they shared the apples half, how many did each of them get? Or how many did John get? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many did John get? We're being told that out of the 12 apples, these are the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So out of these 12 apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Janet shared equally between John and her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you share them equally, this is what John got and this is what Janet got. So we are being told how many did each get? 6. So how many was given to John? 6 apples. 6 apples. Very good. Now we are here. We are being told Oscar has 16 hens and an eighth of the hens are chicks. How many are chicks? We are being told how many? He has 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are being told the hens were divided into how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. They are only supposed to be 8. Then we are being told, and 16 of all these 16 hens, they were not all hens. An eighth of the hens are chicks. So we want to share out these 16 equally among the eighth. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Did I say these are hens? These are not hens. But we want to see how many will fit in each. So we are sharing out the 15, the 16 hens. An eighth of the hen or chicks? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you want to see how many will form an eighth of 16. So we are saying here, this is an eighth of 16. An eighth of 16. So what we are basically doing here is we share out the 16 chicks into the 8 boxes. So here we are, and see how many will be in each box. How many will be in each box? Are you counting how many are in each box? Each box can only accommodate how many? Can only accommodate 2. So when you're talking about an eighth of 16, so how many are the chicks? How many are the chicks? Who can tell me how many? Yes, Oscar? There are only 2. So out of the 16 hens, 2 are chicks. Very good. So we are seeing each box has how many? Each box has 2. So out of the 16, only 2 are chicks. Very good. What if you've been given a question? They've been told, draw 6 circles. No, draw 4 circles and color 2 of them. They've said you draw 4 circles and color 2 of them. I've drawn my 2 circles, then I color 2 of them. How many remains? I remain with only 2. Now, do this question. There are 48 pupils in grade 3. There are 48 pupils in grade 3. And you're being told a half of the pupils are girls. How many are boys? There are 48 pupils in grade 3. And a half of these 48 are girls. So how many are boys? That is the only question I'm giving you for today. You're going to do it at home with your parents. There are 48 pupils in grade 3 and a half of the pupils are girls. So how many are boys? Out of the total 48, a half are girls. So find out how many are boys. Up to there. Who has any questions about fractions? Who still has not understood fractions? Teacher, we've gotten it very right. You now can differentiate between a half, a quarter, an eighth. Is that okay? You know something that is whole and something that has some parts missing. You can tell me what is a whole. What is a whole? We said a whole is a complete thing. But once I take away, if I take this 2 out of that, is that a whole? It is not a whole. It becomes a fraction. Why? Because part of it has been taken away.